Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a great day out there today. I want to bring you some new news that Acura just announced. I'm sure a lot of you already heard about it, but if not, it's a big change coming to the 2025 Acura MDX. I think you guys really like it. They're making a big change that everybody wanted to see a long time ago. So if you didn't like it before, you actually might like the new MDX that's coming out. So let me go ahead and share exactly what's going to change. So Acura just announced for the new refreshed 2025 MDX, they're finally, after so many people complained about it, ditching this screen. And they're going with the touch screen. They're going to bring it way close. Has a little lip on it so you can rest your finger and use the touch screen, just like the Accord, the Civic, the CR-V is going to. No more touchpad down here. These buttons right here will move over. And then you'll have a little storage bin as well. So that's a huge thing because so many people didn't like this touchpad. And they've had it. I don't know how many years they've had it now. But they're finally going to the touch screen that all the Honda products have now, which makes sense since they can be interchangeable now between the Acura and Honda lineup. And another thing that's new for 2025, and it's borrowed from the Honda, is that you'll be able to get the 2025 Acura MDX in the new Urban Gray Pearl. And that color came out, I think last year is the first year that Honda used it to replace a Sonic Gray that they had. So that's exciting. And if you notice, the front fascia is changing too. So it has bigger inlets on the corners for air, and it just looks more aggressive in my opinion too. So some nice changes. They're redoing the seats, so they'll have different seats. And a big change now is that you can get an A-Spec model with the advanced package, and they never offered that before. So you can get the look of the A-Spec, but also have all the features that the advanced package has. So that's kind of nice. Before it was one or the other. And of course, the wheel designs are bringing out some new wheels. So that's nice. And also, if you're looking for a Type S, well, the new Type S now comes with a Bang & Olufsen sound system and has 6 more speakers. So it has 31 speakers in that car in the Type S. So if you love your music, that might be the model you want to go to. Unfortunately, no changes are happening to the powertrain of either the standard MDXs or the Type S. The standard's still going to run with a 3.5 V6 at 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque with the 10-speed automatic. And then the Type S still gets the V6 turbocharged 3-liter and makes the same 355 horsepower and 354 foot-pounds of torque with a 10-speed auto. So if you were hoping for more power, it's not going to happen on this one. And then you still get all the safety features that you got before, but they've added 3 new features for that. So one of them is an active lane change assist that's available for some divided highways. And one of the probably the most useful things that they added was the front cross traffic warning, which it says at low speeds can identify oncoming vehicles from the side and alert you. So if you're pulling out and you might not see a car because of a shadow or whatever, the radar could pick it up and alert you so you don't get hit. So that might actually be useful. And as far as the pricing goes, they haven't announced anything, but for 2024, the base MDX started at $51,500 and the loaded Type S came in at $75,150. So like any other manufacturer, every year they get a little bit more expensive. So you can almost be guaranteed the prices will be maybe $1,000 more for the entry level, but time will tell. The 2025 MDX will go on sale this May. So just one more month and you'll start seeing them at the dealers. So let me know in the comment section, did Acura do enough to make somebody want to buy the 2025 Acura MDX? You know, if they were on the fence with the 2024 or the previous model, does this one have enough changes to make you want to go get it? And what are your thoughts? I think it looks really great. The MDX is an attractive looking vehicle anyway, and they made some nice touches with the air vents and the bumpers sculpted a little differently. And then of course the touchscreen, that's a lot easier to use for sure. So I just want to bring that to you if you weren't aware of it. Just came out a couple days ago. I think it's some good touches, I do. I think a lot of people will be happy with the touchscreen for sure, because that was probably the biggest complaint I've heard, even in my car, the TLX. People don't like that. They wanted just a touchscreen, basic, and it clears up the center console so you don't have to have that touchpad. Now Acura puts some more storage in it, so that's always useful. So again, I just want to bring that to you guys. So if you're looking at an MDX, maybe wait till May if those changes did it for you. Or if not, you can probably get a better deal on the 2024 if the changes weren't enough to win you over. So I hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.